An easy way to become a good conversationalist. Principle 4, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Most of us are so preoccupied with what we are going to say next, that we fail to actually listen when others speak. Nonetheless, most people prefer a good listener over a good talker. Remember that the individuals we're talking to are 100 times more concerned with themselves and their own troubles, than they are with us and ours. Encourage others to talk about themselves by being a good listener. When they talk about things they like or enjoy, they will feel good and will associate those good feelings with you. Pose questions that you believe the other person will enjoy addressing. Encourage them to tell you about themselves and their achievements. Pay attention to what makes you want to talk more as you do this. Are you trying to fill awkward silence? Do you get carried away while telling stories or sharing ideas? Consider how you may urge the other person to continue sharing. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 2, Ways to Make People Like You. Subscribe, like, follow.